Tamil Nadu is a thriving manufacturing economy with key sectors in automobile, textiles, renewable energy and electronics manufacturing, renowned for its skilled workforce and exports. By creating a safe and secure environment for industries, Tamil Nadu has attracted significant investments and employment to the state. Beyond 50 years, this substantial growth across various sectors like information technology, heavy engineering, electric vehicles, food processing, aerospace and defense is enabled by State Industries Promotion Corporation of Tamil Nadu Limited, SIPCOT. Envisioning Tamil Nadu as a hub for medical technology products and high-tech medical manufacturing, SIPCOT has developed a medical devices park at Oragadam near Chennai, the healthcare capital of India. Spanning 350 acres, the medical devices park is a self-sustained one-stop facility with an integrated ecosystem in focus areas of medical equipment, medical devices, diagnostics, medical software and consumables and home care products.
This is one of the best medical device park and first medical device park in India. Currently, we are doing 3.5 million of turnover, which we would like to do the way forward in next 5 years to maximize the turnover to 15 million. I sincerely welcome all device manufacturers and IVD manufacturers to utilize this SIPCOT medical device park.
The Medical Devices Park provides ready-to-occupy plots, plug-and-play infrastructure with various amenities including dedicated power supply, water supply, roadways, stormwater drains, landscaping and 24/7 security.
We were looking at an ecosystem that could help us quickly grow, and we realized that the Medical Device Park at Oragadam is the right area where we could set up this facility. So we are now investing more than 250 crores in this plant, which will be one of the world's largest neuro device plant to manufacture international neuro devices. We were able to get the land allotted within a record time of 15 days. We are very confident that we'll be able to grow very quickly from here because the ecosystem is really available to us, and we are here to show to the world that India can also manufacture these type of high-end medical devices at an affordable cost.
The Medical Devices Park delivers comprehensive support services for industries with common scientific facilities with a first-of-its-kind features such as gamma irradiation facility, EMI, EMC testing center, rapid prototyping and 3D printing, microbiology, metal grade molding center, metal finishing center, calibration, cold storage, warehouse, certification and regulation, innovation hub, skill development center and business center. The Medical Devices Park offers investors with 360-degree support with 24/7 security, aftercare services, single-window approvals, fiscal incentives, policy support and last-mile infrastructure services.
நான் படப்பையில் வசிச்சுக்கிட்டு இருக்கேன். எனக்கு ரொம்ப நியர்பை டிஸ்டன்ஸில் இருக்கிறதுனால நான் கம்ஃபர்டபுளாகவும் சேஃப் அண்ட் செக்யூராகவும் நான் ஃபீல் பண்ணுறேன். நான் படித்ததுக்கு ஏற்ற ஒரு வேலைவாய்ப்பு கிடைச்சதுனால நானும் என் குடும்பமும் நிம்மதியாகவும் சந்தோஷமாகவும் ஃபீல் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்கோம். நான் ஒரு ஹெல்த் கேர் ப்ரொஃபஷனலாக இருக்கிறதுல நான் ரொம்ப பெருமைப்பட்டுக்கிட்டு இருக்கேன். இந்த வேலைவாய்ப்பு அமைத்து கொடுத்த மாண்புமிகு முதலமைச்சர் அவர்களுக்கும் என்னுடைய மனமார்ந்த நன்றியை நான் தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன்.
We are proudly being into SIPCOT Medical Device Park, and we bought a piece of land in 2023 and we started our construction in 2024. Within 14 months, we completed our entire project with the help of Tamil Nadu single window system. We are thrilled declared that we are the first people going to manufacture hemodialysis tubings and certain cardiac consumables in our facility. We are very thankful to Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu.
SIPCOT welcomes you to invest and grow in Tamil Nadu at Medical Devices Park in Oragadam and be a part of our Honorable Chief Minister's vision of achieving a $1 trillion economy by 2030.